and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, so I'm back again with another interesting video kama kawaida. And first of all, I want to thank the new subscribers for subscribing to my channel. I want to thank the returnees for always coming back to view more of my content. Thank you so much. For those who engage with me, for those who comment, for those who like my video, thank you so much. Let the Lord bless you, because by doing that you are making my channel grow. When you like my videos, you are like recommending it to other people to view. So thank you so much. In case you are coming across this video for the first time on my channel, please, and you have not subscribed, do me a favor and subscribe and join the family, and the Lord will bless you. So today I want to do another cleaning video. I want to clean my guest room. Yeah, I want to clean my guest room. It has been a minute. I had traveled, and so it has a lot of clothes. Tulikuwa na manguo mingi chafu, zikafuliwa, zikaayoniwa, zingine hazijakunjwa. As in, it's just a mess inside there. So I want to go and clean the mess inside that room. Yeah, so I'm going to tag you along. Let me right now I'm in my room, but I'm going to show you that room, how it looks like and how everything is everywhere, and we're gonna be cleaning it together. So come. The situation in this room, from the door you can see piles of clothes. These are clean clothes that needs to be folded, and up there I believe some are clean, some are dirty. Those are dirty. On the bed here are clean clothes that are ironed. As in, you can just see the mess. So I want to deal with this. I want to ni arrange hizo zenye zishapigwa pasi, then ni sort zile nguo chafu kando, then hizi za kukunja nikunje, then I spread the bed and let fresh air circulate hapa ndani, nifungue windows, then ikae clean. So yes, sasa hata nikipata mgeni itakuwa tricky. So let me do that because I don't like the way it looks. So you're gonna be tagging me along, then ni brush hizo viatu nafaa kupaka rangi. Yeah, so I have a lot to do, so I hope you enjoy this video. Na kama unaendelea kuwatch, please like as we continue. As you continue watching, please like the video. So zile nguo zina belong to our room nimezileta, and I want to arrange them in their various places immediately. So this is a blanket, but it can be turned into a pillow. Yeah, we were gifted. It was a gift for Dove from her grandma. So right now I just want to put it in a pillow form. Yeah, let me show you. You see? It's now a very cute throw pillow. Yeah, so I'm going to put it in her bed for now, but she uses it as a blanket. But meanwhile, let's use it as a throw pillow for her. Like I was saying, I'm done folding the clothes, and they are now in sections. The ones you're seeing there, those are my seat covers. I'm just going to be placing them right away. Here are towels and all that. In that laundry basket, those are the dirty clothes. These two pails, these ones you're seeing here, these are Dove's clothes. So I'll be arranging them in her bedroom. Then I have another pail here which has clothes that needs to be ironed. I don't know where my English is going. I don't know if I'm hungry, but I'm saying hizi nguo ziko hapa za kupigwa pasi, then hizo zenye nimeonyesha ziko sawa, so nataka kuzi put away. Yeah, the ones you're seeing over there, hizo pia ni safi, nimezisort, naenda kuzitoa. So I'm just going to put away hizi manguo in their different places. Then I can now clean the bed and spread it nicely and try to wipe that table, yeah, to make the room now clean. So let's do that. But if you're stupid, then you know it's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me that you're fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me that you're fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. So guys, I want to clear this dressing table of mine. We had traveled, and so as you can see, I have this Dendry bag here. Nilikuwa nimebeba toiletries with it, and since then this place has been messy, so let me try to clear out things and see how it looks after.
I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you now. Something fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you now. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you now. Something fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you now.
By the way, guys, do you keep your perfumes in the box like this, or you remove and let it be outside the box? I don't know, but for us in this house, we don't throw away the boxes. So like this one, it's gonna stay in this box until it's done. So hebu niambie kwa comment section the same with another one inside the box. That is us here in this house. So these are calcium gummies. We were gifted by our brother-in-law who came from the US, and they are so sweet and we love them. So we've just taken a few since then. Also, this perfume we received from Hillfield. It smells so nice. And then I also have this body mist from Victoria's Secret. This one was also a gift from him. Yeah, that is it. And there are still others there, but that I won't show you for today because I've not opened them. Yeah, so let me wipe down things. I am done. I've tried to arrange them like, I don't know, but I've tried. I've tried to put the body oils over there, the gummies over here. I've tried to put the hair products. Those are hair products. And then the perfumes on the other side. I don't know. I feel it looks crowded, but it is what it is. At least kuna julikana what is on the other side. Yeah, and then I've dusted. At least hakuna vumbi. Also the mirror is looking clean over there. So that's what I wanted to do in my room today. Nothing much. Just dust that dressing table and arrange those things. Yeah, kukuwe na order. So that is it. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is putting back the cushions, the seat covers. How do you call them? Yeah, the ones you've seen me folding over there. Nitakwenda kuzirudisha kwa seats. Then I think that will be it for this video. I don't know, but let me go and do that, then we shall see.